Imagine waking up in 2030, your job no longer exists. Scary? Here are 10 professions that won't survive the AI revolution. The workforce is undergoing its most radical transformation since the Industrial Revolution. With advancements in AI, robotics, and automation, entire professions are set to vanish, some sooner than you think. In this video, we'll explore 10 jobs that will likely be obsolete by 2030, backed by data, expert predictions, and real-world examples. 1. Bank tellers and cashiers. Why? Digital banking, cryptocurrency, and AI-powered financial assistants are replacing human interactions. Shocking stat: 90% of banking transactions in 2023 were done online. Replacement: chatbots like Banking GPT, self-service kiosks, and apps like Cash App and Venmo. Future outlook: physical bank branches will serve only niche purposes, e.g., high-net-worth clients. 2. Taxi and truck drivers. Why? Autonomous vehicles are no longer sci-fi, they're here. Tesla's robotaxis. Elon Musk predicts fully autonomous taxis by 2025. Self-driving trucks. Companies like Waymo and TuSimple are already testing driverless freight trucks. Job loss estimate: 3.5 million truck drivers in the US alone could be displaced. 3. Warehouse workers. Why? Robots are cheaper, faster, and don't take breaks. Amazon's army. Over 750,000 robots already work in Amazon warehouses. Example: the Sparrow robot can identify and move millions of items daily. Human role left: only supervisors and technicians maintaining robots. 4. Call center operators. Why? AI voice agents now handle 85% of customer service queries. iTools. Google's contact center AI resolves calls without human intervention. Cost savings. Companies save $80 billion per year by replacing human agents. The twist: some companies still keep humans for emotional calls. 5. Accountants and bookkeepers. Why? AI automates 90% of traditional accounting tasks. Software like QuickBooks AI, ChatGPT for tax prep. Future role: only strategic financial advisors will survive. Fun fact: in 2023, an AI audited a Fortune 500 company faster than humans. 6. Language translators. Why? Real-time AI translation is nearly flawless. Tools like DeepL, Google Translate AR glasses. Niche survival: only literary, creative translators remain. Shocker: the UN now uses AI for real-time diplomatic translations. 7. Construction laborers. Why? Robots build homes in days, not months. Example: Icon's Vulcan Robot 3D prints a 500 square feet house in 24 hours. Cost: 40% cheaper than traditional construction. Human role left: architects and engineers, not manual laborers. 8. Traditional farmers, vertical farms. Why? Climate change plus AI-driven agriculture. Vertical farms use 95% less water, no pesticides. Robotic harvesters. Like Harvest Crew, robotics pick strawberries faster than humans. Stat: 60% of Japan's lettuce is now grown indoors. 9. General journalists, AI writers. Why? AI writes news faster and cheaper. Tools like ChatGPT journalism, AI press releases. Survivors, investigative journalists and op-ed writers. Controversy, the Associated Press already uses AI for earnings reports. 10. Traditional school teachers, AI tutors. Why? Personalized AI learning is more effective. Examples: Khan Academy's AI tutor, Duolingo Max. Future role: teachers become mentors for social skills. Stanford study: AI tutors improved test scores by 30% versus human-only teaching. How to adapt. Future-proof your career. 1. Reskill into tech. Learn AI prompt engineering, robotics maintenance. 2. Focus on human skills, creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership. 3. Entrepreneurship. Start a business in AI consulting or green energy.